Namaste guys, and this is Vishwanath from PANI Deals. Today we'll see a walkthrough of Retable, that is alternative to Airtable. Yeah, I've been using Airtable from every day from last few weeks, maybe 2-3 months actually. So was working with the client and automations, handling around 150k plus records. Okay, so and then I have came across a Retable. There is a deal on Abscom as well. So I came across this and I was trying this actually. So it's at early stage, okay, but still actually it is pretty good at that level. So usually in a table, there are a lot of stuff inside that is regarding data and views, and then there are automations, there are interfaces and all. Okay, so let's go one by one how uh, does it work in Retable. So this is called a table. The name is BFCM 2023, and you can add one more empty table, otherwise import from CSV file or something. Otherwise even you can import from Retable, and maybe they will give from URL, like I think you can even import from Airtable and all. And I have imported from Google Sheets, and I have tried CSV also. I have tried empty table also. So it's pretty much straightforward and similar, very similar to Airtable. And these are the views. These are also very much similar to Airtable. So you can add views. Okay, a grid view, a form view, Kanban chart, those and all. Okay, and in this one actually, in Airtable they also have some kind of folders. We can say call it as a section. Okay, so I think here that is not there so yet, but maybe in the future. Okay, so I have created a grid view that is named as default, and these are the data. These are the columns actually, and you can see the icon as the type of the data. It's like a text, and then text. This is a check select option list. This is the calendar. This is the URL. Okay, and even you can try creating a new one, something like this, and like this it will pop up like this something. Okay, you will give the title and type. There are already several types of data here, like multiple types you can select, like text, number, checkboxes and all. And here in select options also you have single select, multi select. Yeah, this is a little advanced as well. Okay, and uh, the attachments, calendar, date and time, email, phone number, percentages, and even advanced like formulas. Okay, I haven't had much formula set, and the geolocation, those things, those stuff also. And they're also uh, adding more options in premium, like QR code, GPT, and yeah, they have integrations on that. Okay, so these are about the tables and views. And views is nothing but you can just create any number of views based upon single table, like how you want the data. So this one is like grid view, and here I created one more view that is called calendar view. Actually, I name it as live. So here I want to go by the calendar schedule. Okay, so when you are creating this, otherwise you can even edit. uh, it is created by using the column live. You can change it to something else also, like if usually it will pick up the date and time column automatically. So here we had column as live, so based upon that it is picking up. So we only have one. Okay, this one. And another one is like uh, add view. So maybe let's have a card view. Okay, okay, it needs, we don't have color column. Okay, so it's not possible, otherwise yes. This is how it looks like. This will be good if you have column for color, otherwise image or something like that. Okay, so this looks good actually. Okay, and you can have the overview, and you can even hide the columns, otherwise you can display columns whatever you need. Like example, I can enable this way. So these are the deals which are what are the platforms like this. So this is very much interesting, and you can even enable disable something like that. We don't have color, so we can have agency something like this features. And otherwise if you have something like live like this. Okay, so for some we have live schedule, so like this, so it will come with the date and all. Yeah, and this applies same for any view where you can, you if you want to hide it, otherwise if you want to filter it, see if you want to um, deals with only live is not empty, that, so only these two. And if you want to um, is, oh sorry, what happened? Okay, is select AppSumo. Okay, if I want to view only AppSumo like this, so these are nothing but views. So and also you can share the same views to with your team accordingly. Okay, so if that somebody is working on graphics, somebody working on content, somebody something like that. Okay, and even you can filter them with the status and all like that. Okay, and here comes the group format. These are a little deep options. Okay, and okay, like this. So if you want to group by these things, you can use like this. Okay, formatting and all. Let's quickly go to automations. So this is also very similar to Airtable, but this is the UI is little, yeah, fine, but not so smooth or interactive, but it works actually. Yeah, I think you will experience the improvement later on. So once you click on automation, like once you click on add new something like that, it comes like this: name and description and trigger. Okay, so this is how I created one already. So here is like the scenario is like whenever new row is added in this particular table, I would like to send a webhook data to any URL. You can add any URL. Okay, and here I have posted a public connect URL, and whatever the data I want to send, I can send accordingly. So here I enable disable column by column actually. Otherwise you can enable disable all the columns, and content type is application JSON based upon your webhook. And if you want to something mention in the headers, you can add them as well. And if you want to mention something in the param extra, rather than just data, you can add that as well. So this actually pretty much good, even in the automations. And if you want to do something within this, also you can do like at a scheduled time, if you want to check is there any particular filter data, or like if you are checking something like based upon date, so is there anything scheduled for today, is there anything uh, something like that. So you can go to particular day time, and you can pick up that rows, and you can send that in a book. Otherwise you can trigger this automation based upon form submission. Otherwise row updated, row deleted, cell updated, row added. These are the things. And in Itable we have a little more. Okay, and even the action also they have. Okay, let me select this. Okay, date and time something like every hour, this is fine. Just select this, it's like a cron job. And then you need to select the action. So in Airtable we have a similar one, like send mail, send record, something like that. Okay, so uh, we will filter this data and we will send records. Okay, like this. So these are the good automations actually. We will get deeper into them. So as far as I have tried this, I'm pretty much impressed with Retable. Okay, and there is a chance you can buy it on AppSumo right now. Otherwise, yeah, maybe on their website if it is not available on AppSumo. Okay, this is it, and there are a lot of features actually, like a team, okay, like this, and dashboards and templates, and yeah, like this you can get started with the templates also. Okay, so if you are not so much familiar with some complex setups, you can just get started with the templates. Okay, maybe why. Yeah, and yeah, one challenge I see maybe because it is new. I guess is that as Retable is new, if you are having a lot of data records in that, then it may take some time. And yeah, Retable has all these integrations ready already. That is Pipedream, Alberto, Integrately, Pably, Make, and gpay.com. Okay, and also they have video tutorials, FAQs, Discord channel also, and even you can have contact, like you can contact them, and you can create multiple workspaces. Okay, and you can like this, and you can manage the organization. And they have desktop app as well. And now I think recently they have released Android mobile app also. So it's pretty good to work on this, and they have API key so that you can integrate with any of these integrations. So I just connected with Public Connect by using API key. Okay, and and this is it. So how do you find this? Please share me your feedback and comments, so that it will be helpful for others also. Like if anything, if any question is there, and I try to answer it. Okay, yeah, this there is dark mode. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today. Uh, this is a quick walkthrough, and yeah, I will try to have detailed review, otherwise some tutorial based upon the requirements. Okay, I will get there. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and share.